This project considers the parking garage to be one thing, continuous, repetitive circulation, and the gym to be many things, a collection of independent, programmatic fragments. By breaking both garage and gym into fragments that are folded into continuous circulation, this project seeks to produce an experience of continuity within an image of discontinuity. The garage is organized as a split-level system which is broken into irregular, misaligned fragments in order to create space for the nesting of multiple gyms. These gyms are organized as independent entities and are subdivided further according to the programmatic specificities of each. The resultant collection of garage and gym fragments are intermixed to make ambiguous the differences between the two, producing three coarse, autonomous building fragments stitched together by a continuous exteriorized circulation that navigates the fissure between them while indexing the continuity of the garage. In section, a different type of continuity is implied as an internal staple stair connects program within each gym. In elevation, the reading is different, as the garage acts as the stitch that stabilizes and binds three gyms together. The layering of circulation systems brings forth a continuity that can be read in the film frames of plan. Pedestrian and vehicle both enter from the west and circulate along the southern edge, wrapping inward and back outward to connect the separate entries of the three autonomous buildings, each of which is stapled internally with its own independent stair. And while these layers of continuity are visible in plan, they are less legible in section, which is agitated, expressive, and finely fragmented to address the multivalent requirements of a dynamic and heterogeneous gym. Elevation, conversely, is understated, suppressive, and coarse, operating as an organizational device for producing coherence, clarity, and continuity between gym and garage. This binary is undone, however, as section appears in elevation, superimposing light, shadow, and fissure to animate an otherwise blank veil. Likewise, elevation wraps inward to manifest in section as multiple layers of enclosure, selectively masking, blinding, and ordering the disorder. This layering of light, shadow, enclosure, and circulation produces a reciprocity between section and elevation, whereby their literal descriptions collapse into a hybrid construct that allows one to occupy elevation and experience its continuity inside of a discontinuous section. In this reciprocity exists a codependence of garage and gym, of elevation and section, of one and many, in which each amplifies and undoes the other to reconsider the binary that the project sets up. In doing so, this project challenges the approach that positions the one against the other and instead argues for the productive potential that exists in the superimposition of the layers between.